Okay, Assalamu alaikum. We are going to do some advanced example of algebraic expressions evaluation. We are given with a equals to 3, b equals to -5, and c equals to 6. So we are putting the values over there. These are including now three numbers. B is equal to -5. I am putting all of things in bracket as I instructed earlier. Plus c is 6, again in bracket. No need to put in bracket, but you will follow the practice. Over 3. 3 is a, right? Plus a is again 3. We'll put it in brackets. Plus c is 6. We'll put it in brackets. Over b is -5. We will again put it in brackets, right? Okay, now opening the brackets to make the scenario clear is -5 plus 6 over 3 plus 6 plus 3 is 9 over -5. This is, so we'll write -5, but later on we'll do plus minus and this will become minus. Now -5 plus 6 is 1 over 3 plus minus minus 9 over 5. Now there are two methods to do this. You can have LCM as well, and you can have uh, 5 and 3. You can equate the denominator as well. So we are practicing equating the denominators. 5 and 3 has common multiple, that is 15. So we will make this 15 and this 15. To make 3 15, we have to multiply it by 5. So we will multiply in numerator and denominator both, minus, to make this 15 we have to multiply by 3. Okay, now this becomes 5 1 times is 5 over 3 5 times is 15 minus 9 3 times is 27 over 5 3 times is 15. So this will give us 15 as whole denominator and LCM, and now we can write simply 5 minus 27, and 5 minus 27 is minus 22 over 15. Okay, now tell me, can we write this as it is or not? Is it a proper fraction or an improper fraction? Yes, it is a improper fraction. So what we will do, we will keep 22 inside and 15 outside. 15 one times is 15, and 22 minus 15 is 7. So how we will write it? Like this, minus 1 whole 7 over 15. That will be our answer of this question. Now one more question we have. We have the values a equals to 5, b equals to 9, and c equals to 3, right? Now we are again doing this. These are for 3 numbers, and we have division in this as well. So this will be little difficult, as we have to observe the multiplication to make denominator equal, and also we can have LCM. Previously we have done it with multiplication and equating the denominators, and now we will be doing it by LCM, right? Now this is 5a square. I am putting the value in bracket. 5 square over b is 9 minus c square is 3 square over b is 9 minus a square is 5 square, and b is 9 over c is 3. 5 into 25 over 9 minus 3 square is 9 over 9 minus 5 square is 25 into 9 over 3, right? Now we are going to multiply 25 with 5, that is 125. 125 over 9 minus 9 over 9 minus 25 into 9 is 225. Okay, now we are doing it by taking LCM. So we have 9, 9 and 3 as over denominators. We'll do 3. 3 times is 9, 3 times is 9, 1 times is 3, 1 times is 3, 1 times is 3, and 1 times is 3. So the LCM came as 9. So we will write 9 over here, and what we will have 9 over here, and now we will see that 9 1 times is 9, 9 1 times is 9, and 3 times is 9. So we will multiply these numbers like we have found first, that how much times this is this, this is this. Now we will, this number will be multiplied by this one. Okay, now this is 3 times is 9, so we will multiply this 3 with 225. Let's multiply it. 5 3 times is 15, 2 times is 6, and 1 7, 2 times is 6. So this is 675 minus 9 1 times is 9, and 9 1 times is 9 again, minus 9 1 times is 9, and 125 125 minus 9, 125 minus 9 is what? 116. 116, this is positive, minus 675 over 9. 116 minus 675 is minus 559 over 9. So you will keep, as this is improper fraction, so you will keep minus 559 into 9. 9 times 5 is 45, and 9 6 is 54. Yes, 19. So 6 9 2 times is 18, and 1. So this gives us 62 whole 1 over 9 as over answer, right? So that's how we will solve it. Please keep in mind that when we are solving an expression, you have to maintain this, that this is equal to this, this, and that. So this is our final answer. That's how we are going to solve our questions with this method, or you can use another method. You can multiply this by 3 and this by 3, as we have done in previous question, and that's how we will be reaching to this point, right? I hope you got this. If you liked the video, you understood the questions, please do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.